Today's your lucky day. You found the Captain Rotten Socks and Ian Boris show. Now here's your host, Captain Rotten Socks and Ian Boy.
What are you doing?
I'm signing autographs on these tongue boards so I can send to my fans.
Giving away our tote boards?
I'm not giving them away. $20 a piece. It's more money than we ever made with a stupid telethon. Now that's out of the way. Today's show is MREs.
That means meals ready to eat.
Yeah.
Here we have meals ready to eat issued by the U.S. military to our troops when they're hungry out in the field or just wherever.
You can use them for anything like hiking, camping, or you get kicked out of the house because your dad catches you smoking cigarettes.
Here we have first MRE, menu 10, chili and macaroni.
Alright, up next we got this menu 1 chili with beans.
Comes in a nice, thick plastic waterproof package. A lot of times they don't even get this, from what I hear, so we're pretty lucky. Thank you, our military.
Yes.
You served us well.
Okay, both of these meals are chili based, I guess, so who wants what one? That was easy.
This calls for the magical wood scissors. All upon me, magical wood scissors.
How was that?
Whoa!
Magical. Not really meals ready to eat. Okay, now the meals ready to eat are finally free of the bags in which they came in. What do you got there?
Hot beverage bag.
Hot beverage bag.
Here's a flameless ration heater.
Flameless? Let's light it up.
Now that's got like, what do you do with that? You pour water into that and that heats your meal up, I guess,
Yeah,
huh?
to pour it in between these lines.
Beverage base powder, lemon, lime. So it's probably like Kool-Aid kind of thing. Good thing we got water.
Yeah.
Cheese spread with
Jalapeno?
No, it's a J. Did I get it wrong?
Jalapenos.
Got
Yeah, got the wrong song.
carbohydrate electrolyte beverage powder, lemon lime.
Okay, so that would be more like a Gatorade type of drink.
Yes.
Electrolytes. Banana Nut Ranger Bar. Never heard of a Ranger Bar. It's amazing. This is fascinating, all this stuff that they give you in here. Okay, now what do you got?
Carrot pound cake.
Carrot pound cake. Okay, it looks like it's been pounded.
Yes. Wild berry Skittles.
Nice.
Ah.
Military Skittles. Maybe shouldn't they?
Skittles!
Shouldn't they be like camouflage Skittles? This show is like gonna suck because
What is
there's
this?
nothing in here that really tastes bad.
What is this? The toilet paper.
Yeah, that's for after the chili.
Remember, kids, if you're gonna play with matches, don't do it in your house, or your parents will be pissed. Do it in someone else's house. It looks like this.
A meese towel.
Yeah.
Towel. Yeah, meese towel.
You wipe your hands with it after you're done your meal.
You wipe your utensils too.
You wipe your hands maybe after you drop a bomb.
Maybe you wipe your.
Maybe.
Finish exercising to replenish your glycogen stores in the muscles. Don't consume large meals within 90 minutes of exercise. Spread your meals throughout the day if possible. Eating more than 3 times a day will keep up your brain and muscle power. Breakfast is the more important meal of the day. It allows you to refill your carbohydrate stores from
You
night
need to take the whole schmagag and put it under a rock or something.
That's or something.
There's your bricks. So now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill up that bag with water between those lines. Okay?
Not bad.
And don't screw it up.
Yeah.
Try our best. Oh, you have plenty of them anyway.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Can make a sandwich.
That's good. Oh.
Cornbread, man. Yeah, take off the desiccant. Well, you guys got it easy today.
Yeah, forget about it. That's good.
Actually pretty good.
Your lemon lime drink. Nice.
My lemon lime Gatorade powder.
They all mixed up. Matches your shirt almost. Okay.
Whoa, that's strong.
That's okay.
You can taste the electrolytes.
That's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Man, you guys are having a meal tonight.
Yeah.
Rating on that.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Does it taste like Mountain Dew?
No, not. I ain't close to Mountain Dew.
Now you got crackers.
That's not what I expected of crackers, but okay. Oh, that don't look right.
Cheese spread. It's like cheese whiz. Smells good.
Wow.
Good?
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna buzz your head next week and send you off to the army.
That's gross.
It's gross.
Never having that stuff
You
again.
got, like, what spread is that?
Bacon and cheese.
Oh, I gotta try that one. Ian boy, you didn't like the jalapeno? Well, you can try your Ranger bar. Banana nut Ranger bar. Yeah, that bacon spread is really good. I give it like a 10 out of 10.
Same with the jalapeno spread.
Good, huh? Ian boy, you get your Ranger bar?
Yeah.
See what the Ranger bar is all about.
Alright. Ten out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yep.
Nice, dude. Oh, yeah. That's good. Like bananas and all kinds of stuff. Oatmeal.
You got a good one there, Ian boy.
Yeah. Now we're ready for the main course.
Oh, yeah.
Be real careful if that thing is still hot.
Put that up against the rock or something.
Okay. Looks good. Hold it in the light. There you go. Okay, spoons at the ready.
Mix.
That is awesome.
Nice, you guys.
Oh, yeah. Could use a little ground pepper.
Hey, boy, you're wailing down that stuff. It's good, huh?
Yeah, really good. 10 out of 10. That's awesome.
This thing is still hot, so we're going to make a little coffee. A little field coffee.
Yeah.
Instant type 3 freeze-dried coffee. We're going to take 6 ounces of water and fill the little hot beverage bag up with it and put it in this thing. Maybe it'll still be warm enough to heat up some coffee. Okay, the coffee is in. water. We're making coffee. Percolating nicely. What's the matter with you?
Put too much ground red pepper in there.
So what?
It's kicking my ass.
He's gonna die.
What happened?
Oh my god.
What happened?
Spice into this made me cough.
So in other words, you swallowed it the wrong way?
No.
It wouldn't have anything to do with all these cigarettes. Okay, so my coffee is ready. Let me have some coffee. Here's my coffee. It's like
Looks ready.
it's like a colostomy bag.
There's some good stuff.
I dare you do.
I know you put like 500 pounds of ground pepper in there.
No, I didn't. Yep, nope.
Well, guess what I'm not eating?
Eat it.
God,
I dare you to eat it. I'll give you $50 if you eat it.
you don't have $50.
Mix
Yeah,
it
I do.
in,
Well,
take a
no, it's
bite.
me right now.
Oh, see?
I got it in my wallet, but I don't have it with me right now.
Oh boy.
It's good.
Alright, take another bite.
No, we don't want any vomiting. Oh yeah, we do. All right, go ahead.
Yep. Oh my god.
Woo!
We get this box full of stuff, random MRE type stuff to try.
Alright, pass that
But
over.
like, where do we start?
Alright, I want to do something for the viewers. Pass that over. Doing this for the vine. Oh god, I can see it.
Well, wait a minute. Who put it in there?
Oh, I get that. Oh god!
No Mountain Dew. No Mountain Dew for you.
I blink
No
all your
Mountain
finger.
Dew for you.
I blink all your finger.
You go, man. Ride it out. You got this. Ride it out.
Remember our pepper thing?
So, Ian boy, on a heat scale, what would you say?
That is a 20. Oh.
Why do you always get like in your ears, like when you eat the hot stuff? Ian boy, come here. Let me see your eyes. Ian boy is trying the dairy shake. Strawberry banana.
That's good. 9 out of 10.
Drink it, that'll cool your hot pepper off.
That'll help it anyway.
Captain Rotten Socks is gonna try the chocolate dairy shake powder. Okay, it's all shaken. Chocolate shake coming down in 3, 2, 1. What is the matter with you?
It's fucking hot. My lips are burning now. Oh my god.
I think what's going on here is like everybody's full now from all this stuff. And we didn't even get to all the other stuff. We just can't have a show without anything that's sketchy. Come here, boys, look what I got. Duck eggs.
Oh, come on.
Oh.
They're nice and wrapped up in little duck egg socks. Alright, let's peel us some duck eggs. Let's see what. Take off the shell and see what it's doing. Like the duck eggs aren't the easiest thing in the world to peel, evidently. Okay, places everybody. Ready? Duck eggs coming down.
No.
Yeah, they're both the same.
You guys ready for duck eggs? Sit in close together. Captain Rotten Socks, take a bite. Do it for the vine.
Throw up.
It's just a hard-boiled egg.
Yeah.
Come on, it wasn't that bad, was it?
Yeah, it was.
Ian boy.
That was gross.
Ian boy, he just took a massive bite. You gonna let that stand down? You gonna let that stand? Nice.
Oh!
Not bad, just salty.
-5 out of 10. What is that gray stuff?
It's duck egg. No, it's just like
Baby duck.
to walk of shame. Sometimes in the show.
It's baby duck. After all that food, here's the moment you've all been waiting for. The toilet paper.
MRE toilet paper.
Whoa!
Captain Rotten Socks.
Going in for the kill.
Okay.
Oh! Dude! Go back and try this again.
Alright, go. Go ahead.
That's it. We dominated.
The toilet paper.
Now, would you rate the toilet paper as?
10 out of 10. It's okay.
Military toilet paper? Military toilet paper is good?
Yes. 12 out of 10.
12 out of 10. Okay, man. Good show.
Yeah. I'm Captain Rotten Socks. And we'll see you
In the next episode. Please comment, like, and you better smash that like button. I don't care how you do it. Either head, face, legs, I don't care. Smash that like button. We'll see you in the next episode.